just slaps. Dude, you kidding me? Good morning, friends. It is indeed a beautiful morning. Weather's temperature is perfect. Now, regretfully, I did wake up late. I guess that's how tired I was. So I woke up around like 8. So I only got like maybe a few hours to do everything I wanted before I leave. Checkout is 11 a.m. So, with that being said, I think first thing on the agenda, definitely breakfast. Okay, so how about I'm just realizing they gave me ice in that cooler right here. I showed you guys. Yeah, there's ice been in there the whole time. I could have used that for my apple juice last night. Oh well. Well, I'm definitely gonna use it this morning. And that's actually a good cooler because, well, that was yesterday. Yeah, it's a Yeti, that's why. Get a Yeti, y'all. They ain't sponsoring me, but hey, get a Yeti. All right, so plan is some kind of skillet. I'm just using everything that I have in my arsenal. All the veggies that I got left, which is these baby potatoes and mushrooms. I can crush up some garlic. And what else do I have? I got some taco seasoning. I thought it could be like a little taco thing in the skillet with the potatoes, and you know what I'm trying to say. And maybe I could chop up some chipotle bacon too. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hey, let's see. Also, one of my wonderful subscribers gave me a pro tip. Just put the aluminum foil on the cutting board, and you won't have a mess to clean up. That's it. Unless you cut too deep, then yeah, you'll probably eventually get a mess. But yeah. All right, y'all. So I had to let my phone charge while I chopped all this up. So apologies for that. That would've been cool to see. But other than that, pretty much done. Minced garlic. I chopped up the last jalapeno that I had. I chopped up the chipotle bacon that I got from Harris Teeter with pretty much all the potatoes I got from Perkins Orchard. So this is gonna turn into a feast. Now, like I said, the plan is to put it on a skillet, put some oil in there, let it cook up, then add the taco seasoning on. Yeah, that is my breakfast. Okay, so I'm taking a golf cart because why not? Okay, I don't know what I just created, but potatoes, chipotle bacon, veggies, egg, and Kobe Jack cheese, along with some fresh black coffee. Time to feast. All right, let's do this. Oh my gosh. This slaps. Dude, you kidding me? And that charred chipotle bacon. Oh, you are dangerous. This is freaking delicious. I'm gonna critique it. So it could be, it is a tad bit overdone, but I like crispy. I don't know about your preference, but I like crispy. And I definitely got my crispy, that's for sure. Sadly, guys, sadly, only got like 1 hour or so. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock, so, and checkout was at 11, so I unfortunately had to down this to go clean up, go pack up, and maybe once I have the truck packed, I can at least, enjoy some of the scenery around here before I leave. So that's the plan. All right, so there's a saying, leave it better than you saw it. So I'm gonna clean up everything that I use. That's the owners, make sure it's spotless, and as well as just make sure the area's nice and comfy like it was when I first got here. Sweep up a little bit and take off my bed sheets for them so it'll be easier for them. And that's about it really when it comes to cleanup. I'm kind of mad at myself because this pan was spotless when I first used it, and now look at it now. I'll definitely use that tip about aluminum foil more often. Definitely start using more foil. Cause this wasn't even mine. And I'm just gonna pour the rest for the road. I just want to enjoy this one last time before I leave. Oh. Okay, everything is spotless. I got the comfy throw pillow right there. I have the couch all neat and clean. And the kitchen, of course, is clean. With the dishes right there, as you can see on the towel, the clean ones. And yeah, little paper towel right there. Table is cleaned off. And a bedroom area, I barely used it, so that area is pretty much clean. But yeah, that's it. As I keep saying, this experience was truly, truly a blessing. Let me look back at it one more time. Man. This is my second time at a tiny home cabin. And this one is definitely bigger and better. For sure. If you guys happen to like the Refuge, which is the name of this listing on Hipcamp, I'm going to put the link in the description below in case you want to come by. It's like $240 a night for the Refuge, which is why I'm only doing one night. Awesome, but a little expensive, but it was worth it. This was a good experience. Yeah, like I said, that's on Hipcamp. But I'm going to post a link on the description so you don't got to worry about that. All right, friends, that is the end of this adventure. I thank y'all so much for joining me. So someone told me that I should post my own shirts, 'cause I make shirts on the side, by the way, on my video. So, boom, here is one of my first ones. The Hello Fall shirt right here. Hello Fall Season of Color. Original design by yours truly. Nice and cozy. If you guys like it, I'll put the link in the description below as well. And yeah, buy it, don't buy it, don't bother me. I just want to let the world know that I make shirts and whatnot. So oh, this whole experience has been truly a blessing. Really. My next adventure, I'll probably end up camping again, to be honest. Maybe go back to Jordan Lake, find a different loop to camp in, just for the experience sake. And also, I'll look around for other campsites too. If you're in the Raleigh-Durham area, just let me know what campsites, like which ones are popping, which ones are like the go-to campsite for you. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna end the video with some drone shots. You guys like, comment, subscribe. I thank y'all for following me on this camping journey of mine. So far, so good. It is fun, and I'm loving the energy and the love that you guys are giving me, and I just appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, once again, like, comment, subscribe. Push Sage out.